List number 2. Number 1, wealthy. When you have a lot of money, you are considered wealthy. Wealthy. Number 2, sweater. It is cold outside. Make sure to put on your sweater. Sweater. Number 3, dread. I dread another day of rain. Dread. Number 4, treasure. The pirate was following the treasure map to look for the buried treasure. Treasure. Number 5, health. When you eat well and exercise, you are taking care of your health. Health. Number 6, spread. I like to spread peanut butter on my toast. Spread. Number 7, instead. I thought that I was going to the movies, but I went to the park instead. Instead. Number 8, measure. You can measure the length of something with a ruler. Measure. Number 9, breath. It is so cold out here, I can see my breath. Breath. And number 10, healthy. It is important to stay healthy. Healthy. Okay, let's go back and check our words. Make sure you sound them out and remember what they all have in common. Number 1, wealthy. 2, sweater. 3, dread. 4, treasure. 5, health. 6, spread. 7, instead. 8, measure. 9, breath. And 10, healthy.